Our mobile devices make our lives so much easier on a day-to-day basis. And now the technology is helping the manufacturing and industrial sector to improve on their work. Mabale found out more.
Industries all over the world have a lot to gain from technological advancements. The manufacturing and mining industries are just some examples of places that are benefiting from a new type of technology. It analyzes operations, predicts and detects faults, and then communicates this information to a technician through mobile devices.
RTOI is real-time operational intelligence. The app itself is really just a presentation of computational power that's happening at the site. So machines are collecting data at site, it's being stored in databases, and powerful algorithms will be running in a centralized place or decentralized, but computational power will be creating the predictions as to what's going to happen. The result, and this is really the power of RTOI, is that the result is sent to the tablet. So the user doesn't have to be confused with a noise that's pertaining to parts of the plant or fields of expertise that are not his. Only what's relevant to him will be shown on a predictive basis. And the kind of anomalies that we could detect are everything from slowdown in production, it could be to failures of critical machinery, just simple blockages of pipelines, etc.
It detects and reports faults that are going to happen, sometimes weeks in advance, thereby avoiding potential catastrophic failures. And this allows a technician enough time to respond to the problem, which can save industries up to billions of rands.
How the information gets to you is really in one of two ways. Firstly, something happens in the plant, and so the information is pushed to you by means of a workflow on which you must act, or an alarm which is serving just to notify you. The second way is by means of your geolocation. We know that smart devices are aware of where they are, right? They understand the GPS network, satellites, etc., give them very precise locations. So part of the app has been designed so that based on where you are in the field, the relevant information for the piece of equipment that's next to you will be pushed to you. So if you're walking down a very large plant or operation, as you walk down from machine to machine, your tablet will be updated with the information for the equipment that is next to you. If you're out in the field, maybe kilometers away trying to attend to remote sites, information around you will appear, and just simply by clicking on the geo map, identifying which site you'd like to go to, etc., information will be loaded onto the app. And if there's something critical that occurs in a remote area, what will happen is the system is smart enough to identify which user is the closest to the area where the problem is, so that a technician can be reassigned from one job to another to make sure that there's the shortest time to resolve the issue. So the opportunity for productivity improvement, the opportunity for efficiency improvement is massive. And considering the number of machines that are going to be connected, 50 billion by the year 2020, the opportunity is massive. It is a massive economy of scale. In my personal view, it's an opportunity to change the world. And we can do it one intelligent step at a time.
It goes without saying that technology is continuously reinventing the wheel as far as businesses and industries are concerned. It has become such an integral part of our progression that without it we feel irrelevant and unproductive. And as a business, you can't afford to get left behind in the dust.